Maswera sei muri Zimbabwe. Welcome to our channel. Apa tinokupaina udzinenge chitika matima nenyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Chingoti kana kari kutanga ukuya pane ino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingogara wakasubscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Sendavaita kuigirai zuva ranhasi nawo yaburitswa naMajara Jairus, a political activist, about update yedemo iri kunzi yakarongwa for 15 April muri Zimbabwe kuti citizens they want to protect their constitution. Mamiriro azvakaita, it seems as if demo iyoyo hakuna. There is a post yaburitswa naMajara Jairus along with a press statement yanga richinzi yabva nekumapurisa, but mamiriro azvaita ZRP yataura yayo ichiti haisi kuziva about this demo. Majara Jairus aburitsa a press statement yakanzi the Zimbabwe Public Police wishes to advise the public that it is aware of peaceful protests scheduled for Wednesday 15, 2026 across the country. Appropriate measures have been put in place, including the deployment of police officers to ensure the maintenance of law and order and the safety of all citizens. The Zimbabwe Republic Police unequivocally affirms that every citizen has the constitutional right to express themselves peacefully. This right will be respected and protected, provided that it is exercised in a manner that does not infringe upon the rights, freedoms, and security of others. At the same time, the police service will act decisively and without hesitation against any acts of violence, disorder, and lawlessness. Any individuals found violating the law will be dealt with in accordance with established legal procedures. The Zimbabwe Public Police remains steadfast in its commitment to professionalism, impartiality, and institutional independence. The service will not be swayed by political influence and will continue to discharge its mandate fairly and without fear or favor. While upholding these principles may present challenges, the institution stands prepared to endure such pressures in the interest of justice, accountability, and preservation of public interest. Maburitswa vaitwa nyaya naMajara Jairus, but mamiriro akaita, it seems as if this is a fake press statement. A lot of people varikutaura ivo vachiti police haife yakabvumidza vanhu kuti vaite zvinhu zvakadaro, and of which the official page reZRP haramboburitsa any statement rakadaro zvichireva izvo kuti pawane madoubts about this demo kuti ichaitwa here kana kuti is it an agenda iri kupushwa pasocial media nema-anti-ED30 political analysts, kana kuti tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. But mamiriro azvakaita, it seems as if hakuna demo iriko. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.
Good afternoon, fellow Zimbabweans. Maswera sei, citizens, comrades, mese kwamuri. Izuva ranhasi ratinosangana munguva dzemadekwana dzekudoka kwezuva. Pane nyaya yataurwa naGeneral Story panapa which is very intriguing and which is also eye-catching at the same time. Ndoda kutora mukana wokutenda mukoma wangu Baba Chogumaira, my brother, nemashoko enye ekurudziro. We are a team. We trying to conscientize the people. We are trying to make people aware and why there is need for Zimbabweans to unite and stand together against the manipulation which is perpetrated on us by the black ruling elite. General Soranya yavataura pamusoro the situation that is developing in Zimbabwe vakareferensa 2017. Inini ndaibata saka ndati ndikuyo kuzotutsira something so that we are not caught unawares for the second time and we are not caught with our pants down for the second time. General Story vataura nyaya yakanaka kwazvo pamusoro pesystem yeZANU-PF kuti since nekadzoka kumashure mbijana, since its inception ZANU-PF has never had a free change of power. Haina kumbobvira yakave neutungamiri hunobva zvine runyararo mumutungamiri achipa power kune mumwe vaine kakutowirirana kana kakunzwisisana. I-tradition yeZANU-PF, which unfortunately is also impacting on the nation. That is why these guys could not hand over power kuna Tsvangirai in 2008. So, having said that, in 2017, prior to Mnangagwa taking over, pane zviitiko zvakaitika zvekuti he was being demonized namai Mugabe. Mai Mugabe vanga vafokasawo nekuti vatore power vagozoita take over. But hedu tisati tasvika ikoko, maybe tingangotora nhoroondo political survival yaPresident ED Mnangagwa. And tichionesana kuti when 2017 came, maybe it was the system yeZANU-PF which planned to dehumanize him and denigrate him so that you have sympathy and forgiveness for all what had happened in the past, is alluded to by General Story. It's a line of thinking which we should also explore, because the last thing we would want is to be caught unawares again like 2017, because immediately after vanapinda muroad and stuff, 9 days later vachinamasa vachitaura kuti vakabuda vachitaura kuti chinhu chedu. So ma-political battles emuZANU-PF akatanga kudhara, but tingangotanga hedu pana 2004 pekuti after the fallout yavaMnangagwa kumashuroko pavaiholda finance maparty companies akamboshayiwa mari, pakaitwa commission yaive nana Mujuru, vakawanikwa vaine mhosva vakazongoregererwa, and it was swept under. He then came back again and mobilized. To be honest, let's give a credit where it deserves. When it comes to political manipulation, kana kuti political astuteness, make no mistake, ED is very good at that. But politics dzavo ndedze survival, hadzisi dzekudeliver to the masses or saving the people. It's how do you survive in the political arena? How do you out-survive your opponents, your enemies? So that he knew that, and he has known that. In 2004 pacholocho declaration, vaMnangagwa vanga vamobilize maprovinces eZANU-PF vave nepower, and he was scheduled zvato in the pipeline kuti he was going to be the second vice president weZANU-PF. But Mujuru manje having had an encounter before na Mnangagwa panguva yeinvestigation yekubiwa kwemari dzemaparty companies, ndokubva atsvaga a way to block him, ndobva ataura naMugabe. Remember, Mujuru and Mugabe go way back, because the person akaenda kuma war veterans, kuma comrades after Mugagawa declaration, and to make sure that Mugabe was acceptable to them was Rex Nongo, Mujuru, General Solomon Mujuru. So because he had had an encounter naye, ndobva aona kuti munhu ada kupinda apa kauye munhu weAsboy, ndobva antaura naBob. Obviously the next thing was Bob achiburuka paairport akangotaura kuti the second vice president is reserved for women. Takutoisa mukadzi panapa, we need to empower vakadzi, we need a woman in the presidium. Mai Mujuru ndobva vakandwa. Obviously that did hurt ED, but being a survivor as he is, he had to work his way up again. And fast forward 10 years later, the tide had already changed again. He had mobilized again, to the extent yekuti akave darling. Mai Mujuru akatanga kudenigratewa, vakaita sei 2014 vachibva vabviswa, then in comes ED Mnangagwa. Saka vaMnangagwa vapinda 2014, him being a survivor saizvozvo vanga vadzoka, and his ambition yekuti he has to at one time to lead Zimbabwe he started mobilizing again. And don't forget kuti 2008 Mugabe had given in after he was walloped in Tsvangirai, and he wanted to step down, but it was ED who had to make sure kuti Mugabe continues. I think there is a video that circulated here achitoconfirma that kuti ndakavaudza kuti gadzirai cabinet hapana kwamuri kuenda, zana haina kuruza. So the 6 weeks dzatakamira as a nation muna 2008 chimira ma-electoral results was a period yekuita mobilize, reducing Tsvangirai's electoral victory to a level yekuti panoitika rerun, then mobilizing mawo veteran kunzi haagenga nyika yakuenda naTsvangirai, varungu vakutora nyika, ivhu renyu rese rakutorwa, something that was never mentioned even neMDC yacho. Vakarerekera kuvarungu this and that. War veteran rikabva ramuka chibhebhenenga, mabhesa akatanga kuitwa zvakare muZimbabwe, pakarohwa mupiti, pakarohwa munhu kwete mbijana, short sleeve, long sleeve people were killed, vachijungwa maziso vachiurayiwa vachiita sei. All that butchery had been inspired by somebody who really wanted to be at one time to lead Zimbabwe. So as it were, vapa vice presidents from 2014, Mugabe again started trying to find a way yekuti awane somebody who might take over, because kuna ED had already ruled out that kuti no ways. The first person they wanted was Sidney Sekramai, but he was too soft. Then they ended up settling for Mai Mugabe. And the tactic was toda kudzosa vice president ku Women's League, because yanga isisi papa, yanga yatorwa nani from Mai Mujuru to Mnangagwa. So that was their plan. But unfortunately, Mai Mugabe wacho was so water cannon mouthed zvekuti things started going astray even in their own camp. Mnangagwa vakazopuhwa poison paya muice cream, vachiwenga vakatakura vakanorarama kuSouth Africa. He came back and he was being denigrated kwete mbijana, akabva hanzi togona kumudonhedza. Handitika vakabva vadzingwa basa vaMnangagwa vakatiza munyika, vakatanga kutaura variko, musatye maZimbabweans, I will come back, I'm going to come back. Zvikazodana, I will be listening president, the voice of the people is the voice of God. I will be as soft as wool. Vakataura zvavakataura zvakaita kuti Zimbabweans vavanzwire tsitsi, vavaregerere, vafile kuti maybe this person might rescue us as a nation. But Mugabe had already warned us. Even pavakabva vaMugabe vakataura kuti varume, this guy, he is the type of man, if when you step on his toes, he does not forgive. He will come after you. But anyway, those survival dzese hadzina chekuita nekudeliver any service to the people, political survival. Ndosaka ndambopa message makuseni nezuro anyway, yandaiti mamoves ari kuitika within ZANU-PF kuti ava vari kuti vakathrowa pony, ava kukanda pony, ava vakathrowa horse, ava kukanda chino, it's chess being played. But while all that is happening, the people are wallowing in abject poverty. It is the people that are suffering. So that's why I said we should pray for this nation. Saka muonerwa general story ndo kutya kuti what if the same situation yakaitika 2017 yekuti munhu wakanga akudiwa neZANU kuti aite take over from Mugabe, first akatanga kutukwa achiitwa sei, achishoropodzwa achiita sei, and then ndobva againa sympathy from the people. But auya ezvinezvi tiri kuzhamba kwete mbijana. What if ZANU-PF is planning the same thing again? Herein comes the war veterans, because they are the stockholders, the partakers of all the things that have happened in Zimbabwe. They have been involved. So the onus is on them to give a clear direction to the people of Zimbabwe. This is not a second 2017, nice paper 2 year 2017, but this is something genuine. That is very different. We need to know from them, from those that are in the know that this is not a party two, because pese paitukwa Mnangagwa vachishoropodzwa pamarari naamai Mugabe vachiitwa sei, ana Kazembe Kazembe anani, they were all quiet. Just like right now pane zviri kutaurika zvakawanda, General Chiwenga vazodai, he is quiet again, which is maybe because of the politics of ZANU-PF hadzo, kuti haasi mafanizi ibhora resimbi chairo. There might be need for that. But as a nation, we will always be asking, are we not going to be taken for a ride again as part two? We have never advocated Isusu for the presidents of anyone, and we have never said we don't want anyone to be president again. Make no mistake about that. But what we want is a people-centered revolution, a people-centered future for Zimbabwe, so that our mistakes, our errors from the past, our wrongs from the past do not reoccur again. The reason why people are trying to stop this amendment bill is mostly because they are worried of the repetition of Comrade Mugabe's presidency, which ended up having a 37-year rule yanga iri so tumultuous. People don't want a repetition of it. That's why they are so clear about it. Amana anenge angoita tennis dzake ngaarove pasi. Tosara tichizviona as a nation, people is not centered on one person. But the bigger problem is from ZANU-PF itself, because in itself haina maplans ekuita handover, take over power from each other zviri peaceful. It has never had those plans as a party, which in any case as the father party, the mother party of Zimbabwe, we have got all things against, but we cannot take away the fact that these were the key pillars of the people. These were the key people that fought for the liberation of Zimbabwe, and obviously they have to have a saying on how things go. But now the worry is, what if? What if tikazongoitwa yatakaitwa muna 2017, 9 days after vamugabe vabva, vachinamasa vakabuda vachitaura kuti this was an internal ZANU-PF thing, it had nothing to do with the opposition. Yet the opposition had been mobilized kuti imire nevanhu ava ichiti no, tiri kuda kutanga a new beginning for the country, this guy is gonna come and save us, Mnangagwa is the right person, tikapembera tikaita sei, vachiwenga vakatombo. That's of course hearsay. I don't have any knowledge about that. Kunzi pamwe vakamboofwa president navamugabe vakaramba, we don't know. If it is true, pamwe zvichazobuda anonzi ma-state secrets ka, kuna anozobuda after makore hobhu, vanhu vacho vasisipo vangori vakaenda kare kare, kuti izvi ndo zvakazoitika paya izvi ndo zvakazoitika paya sezvinoitwa una naAmerica, kuti ma-state secrets ane maperiod anozotanga kubuda. But tiri kuti if that's the case, hazvo zvakaitika kumashure, now again, for a start, we have to applaud the apology by Comrade Knox Chiwero. I have to be honest with you guys. That was a refreshing moment. They acknowledged their mistake. We made a mistake and we want to apologize to the people of Zimbabwe. So hopefully, what we are doing right now is something that's going to be for Zimbabweans, for the people of Zimbabwe, irrespective of political affiliation. Just as we are crying out to Zimbabweans, fellow Zimbabweans, let's unite. Ndakafara ndichinzwa message yemukoma wangu Job Scala. I hope he still remembers me. Tese takatangirana politics kuchitungwiza, nana Tafadzwa Musekiwa, nana Job Scala, nana Mutetwa, vanga vakawanda kwazvo takawanda. We elected Chamisa kuti aite president wedu wemayouth. Together we went through a lot. Bigita by election vanga variko wana Job Scala, we were there campaigning for the MDC for Pakai against Claudius Makova. So we have traversed together, and these are some of the genuine people vakaisirwa CIO pakati pavo, and it divided the opposition, dismantled it, and of which that's one of their key things. how do we dismantle the opposition? But in a proper democracy, the idea is not about destroying the opposition. It's about making sure kuti hapana any crime iri kukomitwa na-everyone, including those in the ruling elite. But it's not like that. They managed to dismantle the opposition. And right now, we're trying to get together to regather again, to refocus our strategies now that we have got a lot of people from within the ruling party ranks who really are annoyed by how things are happening. Hopefully, this is going to be a stepping stone for all Zimbabweans to come together so that we map a way forward. Each time we go back, we start again trying to attract external investment. But my investors, they are also skeptical. Nyika inei isiri stable, isina ma-institutions safeguard property rights, zvinonetsa kuti vanhu vaunze mari dzavo. And this is one thing that we have destroyed over the years because of our flip-flopping political policies. Saka, hopefully, Zimbabweans will come good. We need everyone on board for a Zimbabwe that is going to benefit everyone, not protecting a loot that has been obtained through corruption and manipulation of systems. No, we want the best for our nation. We cannot be a net exporter of the youngest age groups into neighboring countries and abroad to work as maids, to work in the farms. We destroyed our own farms. They should have been working in our own farms here, working for the black people, vachibhadharwa mari dzavo zvakanakisisa, but we have failed even to empower the farmers so that they can employ. So we definitely need people who are focused on the future of Zimbabwe. Vanhu vari kuziva kuti zvii zvoda kuitwa in every facet of the country, of the nation, including healing, forgiveness and stuff like that, which are the key things. The whole thing that is happening right now inyaya yefear. Kune vanhu vari kutya kuti what is it gonna be kana zvikazodai, and they would rather say all systems go. If we're gonna die, let it be. But we need to get to that. We've lost a lot of people. May we pray for our nation. May we pray for peace. Murari zvakanaka. Ndini Honorable Katsaya.